Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shad fish. First, begin by carefully scaling and gutting your shad, then rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water. For easier handling and a more pleasant eating experience, consider filleting the fish, paying close attention to remove as many bones as possible. Finally, pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures you achieve a wonderfully crispy skin when it's cooked, enhancing its texture and flavor significantly. Once your shad is prepared, you have several delicious cooking options. Pan frying is a fantastic choice, yielding a beautifully crispy skin and tender, flaky flesh, especially when working with fillets. Baking offers a more hands-off approach, perfect for cooking a whole fish or larger pieces with minimal effort. Alternatively, grilling imparts a wonderful smoky flavor, which is best suited for thicker cuts or an entire shad, adding a delightful char. For a truly satisfying meal, let's focus on pan frying. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a sturdy skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your shad fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the skin is beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Then, flip the fillets and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. To elevate your cooked shad, serve it immediately with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, which brightens the flavor, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like fragrant dill or vibrant parsley. For side dishes, consider light options such as roasted seasonal vegetables or a crisp, simple green salad to complement the fish. Remember, shad is known for its numerous small, fine bones, so eat carefully, even after thorough filleting, to fully enjoy this delicious fish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.